Hi, my name is Haley Wood, and this is my EDL 854 introduction video. So first, who am I? I will be going into my fourth year of teaching. I have been in both elementary and middle school settings all of those years. I am working on my degree in building leadership, and I'm seeking this degree just so I can kind of have an impact on more students and kind of have a larger impact. I also want to just be able to support teachers and help them be more successful in what they do. My background, how does it support my degree selection? I think my experience as a classroom teacher will be a great tool when I become a building administrator. I'm in the early stages of my teaching degree, and so I plan to stay in the classroom for a while longer. I just wanted to get my master's degree, and so I thought getting it in building administration would be a good way to help me with my future goals. And then some of my strengths and weaknesses regarding school finance. I wouldn't say I have very many strengths regarding this. Just in my first couple years of teaching, the only parts I've had regarding finance is being given a classroom budget to purchase my supplies, and it really hasn't been a topic of discussion too much in what I've done. I've seen, unlike the district I was in, put up a brand new elementary school and kind of was deciding a lot what to do with new curriculum and such, but finance was never a main topic, and so I really don't have too much experience with that. So I'm looking forward to learning a lot from this course and learning from all of you guys. Thanks for watching.